In the world of cryptocurrency, volatility and regulatory scrutiny continue to shape the landscape. Bitcoin remains a key player despite fluctuations, while Ethereum and Zora experience mixed movements. Join us as we explore today's top 10 cryptocurrency stories that are impacting the market. Here are today's top 10 stories you need to know. Recent analysis of market activity trends in cryptocurrencies reveals a dynamic landscape characterized by rapid changes in trading volumes. As various assets experience fluctuations, understanding these trends becomes crucial for investors. Market participants are increasingly utilizing analytical tools to track price movements and identify potential opportunities. The rise in trading activity is indicative of heightened interest from both retail and institutional investors. This trend suggests that the cryptocurrency market is evolving into a more mature investment landscape, with strategies becoming more sophisticated. The ability to analyze market activity effectively will be pivotal for navigating future developments. Analysts are keenly observing how different factors, including regulatory changes and technological advancements, will influence trading patterns. As the market continues to grow, staying informed about these trends will be essential for making informed investment decisions. Reports of security incidents within the cryptocurrency landscape have been on the rise, with platforms facing challenges in safeguarding assets. Recent data indicates an uptick in hacking attempts and vulnerabilities being exploited, raising alarms among investors. As the market matures, the importance of security measures becomes increasingly apparent. Cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets are investing in advanced security protocols to protect user assets. Responding to these incidents is essential for maintaining trust within the community and ensuring a secure trading environment. As security concerns escalate, market participants are demanding greater transparency and accountability from platforms. The ongoing discussions surrounding security protocols will likely shape best practices in the industry. Vigilance will be key to navigating the complexities of cybersecurity in cryptocurrency as the market continues to evolve. The emergence of tokenization standards is becoming a pivotal theme in the cryptocurrency market. As more assets transition onto blockchain platforms, establishing clear standards is essential for ensuring interoperability and security. Historically, the lack of standardization has hindered the growth and acceptance of digital assets. These new standards aim to facilitate the conversion of traditional assets into the digital space, thereby enabling broader adoption of tokenized assets among investors and institutions alike. Various initiatives are underway, with industry leaders collaborating to create frameworks that ensure consistent practices across different platforms. The establishment of robust tokenization standards could streamline processes, reduce risks, and enhance investor confidence in tokenized products. As discussions around these standards continue to evolve, market participants are keenly observing how they will influence regulatory approaches and the overall adoption of cryptocurrencies. In the coming months, we may witness significant shifts in market dynamics as these standards begin to take effect. The cryptocurrency futures market is experiencing remarkable developments as new infrastructure is being put in place to streamline trading processes. This evolution is vital for improving market liquidity and drawing in institutional investors, who have been cautious about entering the volatile cryptocurrency space. Futures contracts enable investors to speculate on the future price of cryptocurrencies without the need to hold the actual assets, thereby mitigating risk and enhancing accessibility for a broader audience. As exchanges upgrade their futures trading capabilities, competition among platforms intensifies, spurring innovations in trading tools and features that cater to diverse investor needs. Market analysts are closely observing these changes as they could significantly alter trading strategies for both retail and institutional investors. The expansion of the futures market reflects the maturation of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, suggesting a transition towards more sophisticated investment practices. In the coming months, the impact of these developments on overall market dynamics and investor behavior will be crucial to monitor. Recent trends indicate a notable shift in investor sentiment within the cryptocurrency market as volatility persists. Many investors are reevaluating their strategies, with some opting to take profits while others are positioning themselves for potential long-term gains. This shift can be attributed to a combination of market turbulence and regulatory uncertainties that have left some participants feeling cautious. Analysts report that while some traditional investors remain skeptical, interest from retail investors continues to drive market activity. As the market evolves, understanding investor sentiment will be key to anticipating future trends. The psychological aspects of trading in cryptocurrencies often lead to rapid shifts in buying and selling behaviors, which can greatly influence market dynamics. Observers are keen to see how sentiment will respond to upcoming market developments and regulatory news. The next few weeks will be crucial in determining whether this shift in sentiment leads to a sustained trend or if the market will stabilize. Solana's blockchain ecosystem is generating buzz with the proposed Alpenglow upgrade, which aims to enhance transaction finality and data propagation efficiency. This upgrade is expected to address some of the performance bottlenecks that have emerged as Solana has grown in popularity. The community is optimistic about the upgrade, as it promises to improve user experience and increase the blockchain's capacity to handle higher transaction volumes. As Solana continues to attract developers and projects, the success of the Alpenglow upgrade could solidify its position as a leading platform in the crypto space. The development team is working diligently to ensure that the integration process is smooth and that users can benefit from the improvements as soon as possible. Market watchers are eager to see how this upgrade will impact Solana's performance and adoption rates. Continued innovation will be critical for Solana to maintain its competitive edge in a rapidly evolving market. The cryptocurrency landscape is currently facing increased regulatory scrutiny, particularly concerning ongoing discussions with the SEC about multiple pending ETF applications. This heightened attention comes as the SEC evaluates the potential risks and benefits of allowing exchange-traded funds tied to digital assets. These developments are crucial as they could reshape the investment landscape for cryptocurrencies, making them more accessible to everyday investors. The SEC's decisions are anticipated to have significant implications for market accessibility and mainstream adoption, potentially paving the way for institutional investment in cryptocurrency. Investors are closely watching these proceedings, as the outcomes could influence market stability and investor confidence. Additionally, ongoing debates regarding the classification of cryptocurrencies as securities are adding to the complexity of the regulatory environment, creating uncertainty for market participants. As regulations evolve, participants in the market must adapt to ensure compliance while navigating investment strategies effectively. The resolution of these regulatory challenges will be pivotal in determining the future trajectory of cryptocurrency markets and could lead to a more structured and secure investment environment. Zora has recently experienced a notable decline of 8.8%, sparking discussions among investors regarding its future in the competitive market. This downturn has raised questions about the sustainability of its recent growth and the factors contributing to its volatility. Established as a platform focused on creator-driven marketplaces, Zora has garnered attention for its innovative approach to digital assets and NFTs. However, shifting market sentiment, influenced by broader economic conditions and increased competition, has prompted many to reassess their positions. Analysts are actively debating the implications of this fluctuation, considering both external market conditions, such as regulatory scrutiny and changing consumer preferences, and internal developments within the platform, including potential changes in leadership and strategy. Zora's ability to recover from this decline may hinge on its response to evolving market demands and the effectiveness of its upcoming initiatives, including new partnerships and technological advancements. As the situation unfolds, it will be crucial for Zora to solidify its unique value proposition and enhance user engagement. A strategic pivot could position the platform favorably in the increasingly crowded landscape of NFTs and digital assets. Ethereum remains a significant player in the cryptocurrency market, showing slight fluctuations with a current decline of just 0.3%. This stability occurs against a backdrop of increased interest in decentralized finance, DeFi, and smart contracts, where Ethereum has established itself as a foundational platform. Over the past few years, Ethereum's blockchain has powered thousands of projects, showcasing its versatility and robust technology. Recent upgrades, including the transition to Ethereum 2.0, aim to enhance scalability and significantly reduce transaction fees, addressing long-standing issues that have hindered user experience. The ongoing development has generated excitement within the community, with many anticipating how these changes will improve network efficiency and attract more mainstream users. Additionally, Ethereum's future is closely tied to the evolving regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies. As governments worldwide consider regulations, any shifts could impact Ethereum's adoption rates and use cases in various industries. Given the competitive nature of the crypto market, Ethereum's ability to adapt and innovate will be crucial for its long-term sustainability. Looking ahead, the platform's focus on interoperability and user experience improvements positions it well for continued growth, potentially solidifying its dominance as the leading smart contract platform. Bitcoin has once again demonstrated its structural importance in the cryptocurrency market, despite facing significant volatility in recent days. The digital asset has become a focal point of discussion among investors and analysts, particularly as it continues to serve as a benchmark for other cryptocurrencies. Currently, Bitcoin's price is showing resilience, fluctuating around pivotal support levels, which indicates its capacity to withstand market pressures. This behavior underscores its crucial role in the broader crypto ecosystem, often dictating the movements of altcoins like Ethereum and Solana. Historically, Bitcoin has been viewed as a digital gold, and its performance is often linked to macroeconomic trends, including inflation and interest rates. Furthermore, the continued institutional interest in Bitcoin, evidenced by significant investments from major firms along with its growing acceptance as a store of value, reinforces the belief that it will remain a key asset for investors. As Bitcoin navigates these challenges, the market is also reacting to increasing competition from emerging cryptocurrencies and potential regulatory actions that could reshape the landscape. The next few weeks will be critical in determining Bitcoin's trajectory in the market, particularly as analysts anticipate possible price fluctuations. Investors should prepare for heightened volatility as Bitcoin seeks to solidify its position amidst evolving market dynamics. Thank you for joining us today. Which of these stories surprised you the most? Please like and subscribe for more updates on cryptocurrency news.